Our first summer look is this floral wrap dress. It has a really pretty soft yellow floral pattern, and it's a two-tone pattern. We put a summer hat on her. Hats are a huge accessory this season. There's a detail on the shoe, which is a very lightweight espadrille. This is defining her pear-shaped waist figure. The back of the dress with simple cami straps, really nice fit for a pear shape. And here we have a high-waisted empire waist, rose color. Rose is a big trend this season. We're selling that color a lot. And this is kind of an A-cut, which is flattering on a pear shape. We've done a little cardi over the top because these spring days call for layers. Her earrings are hand-beaded fair trade earring. This is another floral dress. We are loving the small print florals this spring season. This has got a slightly higher elastic waist. We put a labradorite short necklace on her and some beaded bracelets as accessories. This has got a tiered ruffle front, tiers and ruffles, very in this season. Great look again on a pear shape. And here we have on an hourglass figure, another kind of empire cut. We've done another short necklace, quartz necklace on this. Love the floral print on this jumper.